Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Olivia J. Heyward and I am the owner and designer of Olivia Heyward Handmade and Handpicked Goods. I'm so excited to have you. If this is your first time on my channel, welcome girl. It's so good to have you here. If you are part of the Oh So Pretty squad and you watch my videos every single week, then welcome back girl. I have something exciting for you today. Okay, so today we're going to be talking all about how we style these amazing accessories with our outfits. Like, I know you guys love buying these jewelry. Y'all love watching the process. You love buying them. You love rocking them. But you know, maybe you just need a little bit of help of how to style them. Maybe you guys have it all down. Tag me on Instagram and let me know, like, how are you rocking these earrings? I can get some points from you guys. But today I really want to go in and show you how I style these earrings, or 4 pair of earrings with 4 different outfits. So let's get right into the video. Alright, so let's get into these outfits. So the first outfit you're gonna see is I'm wearing this black top. I'm actually still wearing this right now. It is a t-shirt style top, but it does have some like layered sleeves, so that dresses it up a little bit more. I'm throwing this on with some jeans. I am pairing that with a longer necklace because the shirt is so plain. And I'm also doing a little bit longer earrings. Number 1, because I'm wearing my hair up. Number 2, because it's obviously it's more casual. It's more just simple. So with these types of earrings that has like a lot of color, or they're bigger in size, you can really just throw them on with a t-shirt, maybe a little bit fancier t-shirt, and really roll. Put on some jeans, put on some cute shoes. I'm loving my sneakers with this outfit. Those actually were a gift from my sister, so shout out to Ashley for getting me those shoes. And the funny part about it is when I was preparing this video, I was like styling, pulling out outfits from my closet and from my box this week, and I realized that I never wore those shoes. So I'm excited to wear them this fall because they're super cute. They're black and white and pink. I mean, what more can I ask for, okay? And they have floral print, so like they're everything. And they have leopard print. Oh my gosh, did you guys see the leopard print? I'm dying. Like they're basically everything I love in one shoe, right? Except they do have a darker pink. I'm more into like blushy pinks, but I mean, that darker pink used to be my all-time favorite back in the day, so it still sits in my heart. So loving the shoe. So I love how I pair, you know, still having like a lot of color in the earrings, but also having the shoes have color and everything not be so plain. Okay, the next outfit I'm wearing is going to be this floral top, a floral top. So the floral top that I'm wearing, it's not floral, sorry, the pattern top. The pattern top. So it has the greens and the blues and like a peachy blushy color and black and white. And so I'm pairing you with these earrings right here because they have a little bit of pattern, but they're more subtle pattern. So what it really allows you to do is really kind of pattern match. So you can wear earrings with patterns, with, you know, clothing with patterns. It's not a faux pas. They have this, also have little oops, dropped it, but these also have like faint or very subtle stripes in it. So it really paired really well. I loved how that looked all together. So I really love that outfit. And then also I just threw those on with some denim jeans and some some sandals, like they're like pinkish creamish sandals, just some flats. I'm a big flat girl, but you can easily dress it up with some heels if you want to. I'm over the heel life, so yeah, that's whatever. I wear heels every once in a while, but not very often. Dinner, those are the places to wear heels, to dinner, okay? So I'm gonna be sitting down. The next outfit that I'm wearing is the pink and heart. It's like a shirt, what do they call those? It's a shirt and a dress. No, I was thinking about a jacket. That's a shirt and a jacket. This is a shirt and a dress. I don't know what they call that. But anyways, I'm wearing that. It's pink. It has little small hearts that almost look like polka dots, but they're actually really hearts. So cute. I love that shirt. I love that color pink. I mean, you can wear that with leggings. I could have even put that on with some jeans and a black top and kind of left it open. It's so many different ways I could have styled that dress shirt. So yeah, have fun with your outfits. Dress them up, dress them down. So, but I paired those with these earrings, and I thought that was just a nice complement to the dress. They're black, they're bold, they have a little stripe of rose gold in them. So I thought it just really worked well with that dress. So I'm loving how that dress came out and the outfit just all together. And I paired that outfit with some booties, but you could easily pair those with slides. You can put leggings and put taller boots on, riding boots. So many different ways you can wear it. So yeah, I'm excited to see how you guys style all of these earrings. So the last outfit is the one I talked about earlier. It's just a little bit underwhelming, but I still want to give you an idea of what, like, if you just had on all black or, you know, some solid color, how you can really bring in some pizzazz with just like some bold gold earrings. So these are the brass, the brass, like beaten, no, what's it called? Brushed. No, it's not brushed. I can't think of what I call these. My brain is in a tizzy, I guess. Anyways, these are the brass looking one, the beaten brass. It looks like beat brass, basically. And so I paired those with the all black, and I also added this necklace. Now, I'm not sure this is gonna be the final way this necklace goes, just because, I don't know, I might add some black beads in there. I don't know. We'll see how this goes. But I paired it with this necklace. Don't have to really do it with the necklace, but this is something that I'm doing some prototyping on. So you might be seeing some necklaces come to the shop soon. Let me know in the comments if that's something you guys would be interested in. But these are like clay beads, and I'm not sure if I want to add like some other beads to it or what. I don't know, but I'm just kind of really, I think this would be cute with this too though. Ooh, yes, this could be cute with this shirt too. I think this is more how I like it actually. I kind of imagined it, let me take this off. I more imagined it, I don't think it goes with that dress actually now that I got it on. I imagine wearing this necklace on like a black shirt like this. So I really like this. So yeah, we're just styling as we go, but I really love how this just sits on a plain t-shirt, and I think I'm going to do these in a bunch of different patterns and prints and solids too if I decide to make them, if it's something that you guys are interested in. But I really love it, and I love it sitting on a t-shirt. This is what I wear, a lot of t-shirts just because I work from home, I work from the studio, so I dress up for videos that we record, but I don't put on a ton of, you know, fancy clothes unless I'm going out. But on a regular basis, I have on a t-shirt. It'll be great to have like some necklaces like this to really kind of jazz up my t-shirt. So I really love how this works with this shirt, this t-shirt. So yes, so hopefully this video was helpful for you guys, just showing you guys how to style your earrings, how to wear your earrings, what to pair them with. There's so many different options that you can, you know, wear these, how you can style these earrings. But I just wanted to give you some of my tips, some of my tricks, how I like to wear them. And if you have any questions, or if you like this style of video and want to see more videos of how I style my jewelry, make sure you comment below. And if you want to be alerted first when I drop new earrings for the site, make sure you go on my website, oliviaheyward.com, and make sure you sign up for the Oh So Pretty Tech Squad, because you will be the first one to know when new products are added to the site. So thank you for watching this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. And hopefully you enjoy TGIW tonight. Happy Wednesday, guys. Bye. Peace.